What's up, Wonders of London fans? It's me, Vincent, from Wonders of London, and I am in Kensington Gardens by the Sunken Garden at Kensington Palace, where we can see the recently unveiled statue of Princess Diana. And the Sunken Gardens offer some phenomenal photo opportunities of the gardens themselves and the palace in the other direction. And as you can see, there are many amazing angles where you can get simply phenomenal photos here in the Sunken Gardens, where of course you can find the recently unveiled statue of Princess Diana. How amazing are these views as we walk around. And there we can see Princess Diana surrounded by 3 children. Many people have said that it does not look like Princess Diana. What do you think? I personally think that it does look like Princess Diana, especially if you come at the sculpture from this angle, which is the profile. That for me does look like Princess Diana. What do you guys think? In any case, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I've been Vincent, and remember, give us a like and a subscribe if you want more amazing videos of London, and of course if you want to see more fantastic areas of London. Hope you have a lovely rest of your morning, afternoon, evening, etc., wherever you are. Bye.